Hi guys, this is NSG and we are continuing with ancient history, Lucent GK, later Vedic period. Time frame to be remember 1000 to 600 BC. Geographical area से start करते हैं. During the later Vedic period, the Aryan settlements covered virtually the whole of North India. आर्यवर्त वहीं से नाम आता है. The center of culture now shifted from Saraswati to Ganga or Ganges, Madhya This. There were mention of more rivers such as Narmada, Sadanira, जिसे गंडक भी बोलते हैं, चंबल etc. The expansion of people toward the east is indicated in a legend of Satpata Brahmana, how the Videha Madhava migrated from the Saraswati region, crossed Sudanira and came to the land of Videha, modern Tirhut. तिरहुत जो है मुजफ्फरपुर में, मतलब मुजफ्फरपुर नहीं, मुजफ्फरपुर और प्लस 5-6 more districts in Bihar state. He, Agni, then went burning along the earth towards the east, and Gautama, Raghugana, the priest, Videha Mathawa followed after him. सतपथा ब्राह्मण में ये जिक्र है. Emergence of Janpad Kuru, combination of Purus and Bharatas. Panchala, combination of Turvashas and Kirvis, Kasi, etc. in Duav region. Later Vedic literature mention Vindhya mountain, southern mountain. तो ऋग वैदिक पीरियड में नहीं, लेटर वैदिक पीरियड लिटरेचर मेंशन Vindhya mountain. This I think is important for exam. Reference to the territorial division. Later the Vedas give three broad division of India, that is Aryavart, North India, Madhya Desh, Central India, and Dakshin Path, Southern India. ये later Vedic period में three broad division clearly visible. Polity, large kingdom and state cities made their appearance in the later Vedic period. In Taittiriya Brahmana, Taittiriya, we notice the theory of divine origin of kinship. तो क्वेश्चन बन सकता है कि डिवाइन थ्योरी ऑफ किनशिप किस ब्राह्मणा में शो होता है. तो याद रखना है ओरिजिन ऑफ किनशिप. तो लड़ाई में, घर में लड़ाई में किटपिट होता ही रहता है घर सब में. तो तैत्रिया तैत्रिया तो किटपिट वैसे करके आ सकते हैं. डिवाइन ओरिजिन ऑफ किनशिप ये मैंने कीवर्ड के लिए बोला है. ब्राह्मण में वी नोटिस द थ्योरी ऑफ divine origin. The governmental machinery became more elaborate than before as a sequel to the growth of power of the king. New civil functionaries beside the only civil functionary of the Rigvedic period, the Purohita came to existence. Purohit जो chief priest थे. These were Bhagadudha, collector of taxes. भाग मतलब शेयर and दूध collector of taxes, भाग लेना. Suta सारथी, the royal herald or chariot. Kastri, chamberlain. Kastri and Akasha Vapa. Sorry for the pronunciation. The military official of the Rigvedic times, the Senani, the general, and the Gramini, the head of the village, continued to function. The period also saw the beginning of regular system of provincial government. यहाँ से regular system of provincial दिखता है. Thus we find Satpati being entrusted with the duty of administering outlying areas occupied by aboriginals, and Satapati being put over a group of 100 villages. तो ये important term है. क्या है ये? Adhikrita was the village official. Adhikrita was the village official. Ugras mentioned in the Upanishads were probably police official. Ugras, तो उग्र लोग को शांत करने वाले कौन थे? पुलिस थे. तो पुलिस में उग्रास. The popular control over the affairs of the kingdom was exercised through Sabha and Samiti. As in the Rig Vedic period, Vidhata had completely disappeared by the now. Even during the later Vedic times, the king did not possess a standing army. अभी भी standing army नहीं आया है. Judiciary also grew. The king played a great role in administering criminal laws. The killing of embryo, homicide and murder of Brahmana, in a particular stealing of gold, drinking sura, were regarded as serious crimes. Treason, Desdroh, was a capital offense. Now coming to society of later Vedic period, as the time passed by, yajna became elaborate and the complicated ceremonial leading to the emergence of learned men known as Brahmans अभी जो है, and as the Aryans expanded to the east and south, group of people known as Kshatriya emerged to conquer territories and administer them. The remaining Aryans form a separate class known as Vaishya, or were driven from Vish meaning people. अच्छा, ये जो वैश्य फिर से है तो हम लोग रिवाइज करते हैं कहाँ था, तो वो था 10th मंडल ऑफ ऋग्वेद, डिवीजन ऑफ पीपल, जिसे पुरुषार्थ भी कहा जाता था, पुरुषार्थ। तो form the fourth class known as Sudras. Nevertheless, these division society were not rigid. The institution of Gotra, that is the clan, appeared in the later Vedic period. The higher caste could marry with the lower ones, but marriage with Sudras were not permitted. The idea of pollution appeared in the society. The earliest reference to four ashrams, the stage of life, Brahmacharya, Grihast, Vanaprasth, and Sannyas, is found in the Javala Upanishad. ये कौन से उपनिषद में है? तो जवाला, द फोर स्टेजेस, जवाला उपनिषद, और वो था शायद मुंडका। ठीक है, बाद में देखते हैं। द आश्रम सिस्टम वाज फॉर्म टू अटेन फोर पुरुषार्थs, धर्म, अर्थ, काम एंड मोक्ष। The status of women declined. According to Atriya Brahmana, a daughter is the source of misery, but a son is the protector of the family. According to Maitreya Samhita, there were three evils: liquor, women, and dice। तो कहाँ दिया गया है? मैत्रिया। मैत्रेय मदर, राइमिंग सेम कर रहा है, वुमेन मैत्रेय, तो याद रखना लीकर, वुमेन एंड डाइस, मैत्रेय संहिता। Though the monogamy, a man having one wife, was the ideal, but polygamy, a man having more than one wife, was frequent. जाहिर है, women were prohibited to attend the political assemblies. यज्ञ कावल्या गार्गी dialogue, Brihadranayaka Upanishad indicates that some women had got higher education. ब्रह्म विवाह, गिविंग गर्ल टू अ मैन विद डाउरी। यहाँ थे टाइप्स ऑफ हिंदू मैरिज। विवाह कितने टाइप के थे? तो सबसे पहले ब्रह्म, गिविंग गर्ल टू अ मैन विद डाउरी, ब्रह्म विवाह सबसे जो कॉमन है। दैवा विवाह, गिविंग गर्ल टू द प्रीस्ट हिमसेल्फ इन लिeu of his fee. अर्षा विवाह, गिविंग गर्ल टू अ मैन आफ्टर एक्सेप्टिंग ब्राइड प्राइज। प्रजापति विवाह, गिविंग द गर्ल टू अ मैन विदाउट डिमांडिंग bride price. Gandharva Viva, love marriage. Ashura Viva, marriage with a purchased girl. Rakshasa Viva, marriage with a daughter of a defeated king or kidnapped girl. Pechasha Viva, marriage girl after seducing or raping her. Anuloma Viva, marriage between a bridegroom and from a upper caste and a bride from a lower caste. Bride from lower caste. And Pratiloma Viva, the reverse of Anuloma Viva. Now 16 Sanskara. गर्भदान, पुंसावना, सीमांतोन्नयन, जातकर्मा, नामकरण, निष्काक्रमण, अन्नप्रश्न, सुधाकर्मा, कर्णच्छेदना, विद्यारंभ, उपान्या, वेदारंभ, समवर्तना, विवाह, वानप्रस्थ, अंत्येष्टि। कुछ और ही साउंड कर रहा होगा। Religion, the earlier divinities Indra and Agni were added into the background, while Prajapati, creator of the universe, later known as Brahma, Vishnu, and Rudra of animal, later identified with Shiva, rose in prominence. Now Prajapati became supreme. गॉड। तो प्रजापति आगे आते हैं, और अर्लियर जो डिवाइन थे इंद्र एंड अग्नि वर रेलीगेटेड टू द बैकग्राउंड। अब ये पीछे हैं कि Pushanda, who protected the cattle in every early Vedic period, now became the god of Sudras. Pushana. Brihadra Nayaka Upanishad was the first work to give the doctrine of transmigration, Purn, Janam and Sanskar Chakra and Deeds Karma. यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बन सकता है। 12 शतप्रथ ब्राह्मण दिया गया। 12 रत नियाज पुरोहिता पृष्ठ आता है। Mahisi the queen, Yuvraj the crown prince, Sarthi the royal herald of the chariot, Senani the general, Gramni the head of the village, Kata gateman, chameleon, Shangarahitri treasurer, Bhagadu the collector of taxes, Akshapa courier, Palagala friend of the king, Govi Karta head of the forest department. The earlier simple ceremonial of Rigvedic period gave place to the elaborate sacrifice requiring services of the many as 17 priests. In later Vedas, the Brahmana sacrifice yajna came into prominence. There were two varieties of sacrifices: Laghu yajna, simple and private sacrifice performed by householder, that is Panch Maha yajna. Agnihotra, Darsha yajna, or Amavasya, that is on the late day of the dark to night. Purnamasha yajna on Purnima, that is on the day of the full moon. Mahayajna, grand royal sacrifices that could only be undertaken by an aristocratic and wealthy man and the king. Rajasuya Yajna, royal consecration, which is in full form, comprised the series of sacrifices lasting over a year. In the later days, it was replaced by simplified Abhisheka, that is the anointment. Bajpayee Yajna, drink of strength, which lasted for a period of 17 days up to full 1 year. Aswamedha Yajna, horse sacrifice, which lasted for 3 days. Now coming to D, the Agni Stoma Yojana, sacrifice of animals dedicated to Agni, which lasted 1 day. Although Yajnika, performance of Yajna and his wife spent ascetic life for a year before Yajna. On the occasion of this Yajna, Somrash was consumed. Towards the end of the Vedic period, there were emergence of a strong reaction against the cults, rituals, priestly domination. Reflection of this mood is found in the Upanishad. मेनली इस चैप्टर से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन अपेयर नहीं होते, जो होते हैं थोड़ा डीप होते हैं, तो लोग ज़्यादा इस चैप्टर पे मेहनत नहीं करते हैं। हालांकि जितने क्वेश्चन महाजनपद से बनते हैं, डायनेस्टी हरेंग डायनेस्टी से बनते हैं, अशोक से बनते हैं, दे आर फिक्स्ड है। यहाँ से थोड़ा क्वेश्चन कम अपेयर होता है मे बी। तो इकोनॉमी, लैंड हैड नाउ बिकम मोर वैल्यूएबल देन काउ, जमीन महंगा हो चुका है अभी की जमाना की तरह। एग्रीकल्चर बिगिन टू रिप्लेस rearing of cattle. Though the plow was at times drawn by 24 oxen, the manure was known. Rice, barley, ये आ सकता है एग्जाम। Rice, barley, beans, sesame and wheat were cultivated. Production of goods advanced as indicated by a new occupation like fishermen, washermen, dyers, doorkeepers, and footmen. The indicating specialization distinction was drawn between the chariot makers and carpenter, and the tanner and the hide dresser. Considerable advance was made in the knowledge of metals. Mention of tin, silver, iron was made apart from gold and ayas, either copper or tin, in the Rig Veda. The evidence was there regarding organization of merchant into guilds because of reference of corporation, ganas, and ऑल्डरमैन सोस्टेनीज। यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आया हुआ यूपीएससी में। तो ये है सिविल सर्विस एग्जाम यूनियन का। ये बहुत, अगर लूसेंट में यहाँ दिया है तो वो लोग यहाँ जाके पूछेंगे। ऋग्वेद टाइम में हम लोगों ने देखा OCR ऑचर, यहाँ है PGW पेंटेड ग्रे वेयर कल्चर। एंड हियर वी आर डन विथ later Vedic period. Thank you.